So for that, just go ahead and search Java JDK download, okay, and get into the first link basically. So here we have Java 17 version has been available. So to install Java 17, it is not asking like the Oracle account for a Java 11 version. It has asked like the Oracle account and all. So just go ahead and install the exe version. So since I'm installing on Windows, I'll be so the application is installing basically. Sorry, downloading. Control J. In the other video, I have showed how to install Java JDK 11 on Windows 11. Okay, Windows or CMD. Let's see Java hyphen version. So there is no Java has been installed as of now. So let's this download get downloaded. Okay, let me go to the downloads folder. So this is the brand new JDK. Just double click on it. Yes, I want to install it, and there are couple of next clicks. Next and next where you want to install, and post that it will get installed. Okay, once Java JDK has been installed in our local machine, we need to provide environment path. So basically, so for that you need to go to the here, and just go to click on this PC. Here it is, click right click on this PC and go to the properties folder. So this is a new UI of Windows 11. Just click on advanced system settings, click on environment variables, and here so we have a user variable and like user variables, and we have system variables. So here you need to provide path under this is system variables. Click on edit, click on new. Here you need to provide the path where the Java has been installed. For that you need to go to the Windows C. I mean to say C drive. Under after that program files. Under you could see Java if you have already installed. Under that you could see JDK17. Under this we have bin folder. Yes, you need to copy this folder, entire folder. Just click on it. You need to just Control C and go to there. Go to there and click on new. Just give Control V. That's it. Click on OK. Click on OK. Click on OK. Okay, let me go to my CMD and try Java version. So in the same current session, we would not, Java version will not reflect. Just close it and give like Windows R command and try Java hyphen version. You could able to see the Java version basically. Yes, a brand new Java JDK has been installed on top of our brand new Windows 11. So for this installation purpose, you don't need a Oracle account. That's it. Thank you guys.